In this video, I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on phones running on FuntouchOS 14. Here is my iQOO Z9 Lite 5G. You can follow the same method on Vivo phones also. To enable the one-handed mode, open settings on your phone. Under settings, you need to scroll down and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Under shortcuts and accessibility, you need to click on one-handed mode. By default, it is disabled. You have to enable it. I have enabled full screen gesture, so I need to enable this option. Access many screen using gesture. Once you enable that, now open any app. Simply swipe in, swipe out like this. Here you can see that the one-handed mode is enabled. You can easily operate using one hand like this. Everything will be working perfectly. Here you can see that you can do anything in a small screen. If you want to exit the one-handed mode, simply close this button. It will exit the one-handed mode. If you want to enter the one-handed mode again, simply swipe in, swipe out. Here you can see the one-handed mode. If you want to resize this one-handed mode size, you can do that. To the left, you have this resize button. If you can see properly, here is a resize button. Click on that, and you can increase or decrease the one-handed mode size. So that's it, guys. In this way, you can enable one-handed mode on phones running on FuntouchOS 14. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.